Hi there, students. Inanimate. Inanimate. This describes something that has none of the characteristics of life, none of the characteristics that an animal or a plant has. I know a house is inanimate, she said, but this one feels so alive. An inanimate object. He looks at me as if I am an inanimate object. So inanimate objects like stones, not alive, or also not showing signs of life. He was completely inanimate and it was difficult to see if he was breathing or not. Is there a soul in inanimate objects like stones? He has found a way of giving life to inanimate matter. The word article means something inanimate, which is not and has never been alive. So inanimate, stones, furniture, abstract concepts. Viruses can be spread through inanimate objects like doorknobs and telephones. She had a knack for taking inanimate objects and making poetry out of them. In English, the word rock is classified as an inanimate noun, whereas dog is animate, so animate and inanimate. He looked at me as if I were just another inanimate piece of furniture in the room. So, yeah, tools, blankets, toys, tables, chairs, stones, rocks, water, these are all inanimate things, not having the qualities associated with living organisms. Something that is dull or lacking in energy. So notice this is slightly different. Inanimate, without much energy, without much drive. The toy robot appears inanimate without its batteries. The painting has such vivid colours that it almost seems to come alive despite being inanimate. The stone statue stood inanimate, frozen in time. The computer screen displayed an inanimate image of a beautiful sunset. The mannequin in the shop window was so realistic that it was hard to believe it was inanimate. Not endowed with life, not endowed with spirit, an inanimate object. Lacking consciousness or power of motion, an inanimate body. A lady of very prim appearance and remarkably inanimate, dull, not animated, not lively, not full of beings. So not, and animatus, lifeless. Okay, without life, with non-animatus, not animate, not living. So the word car is inanimate. The word cat is animate. So things that lack the features of living beings, lacking any sign of life or consciousness, appearing dead. And then the last one, lacking vitality, spiritless, dull. He thinks that inanimate objects have a life of their own. So lifeless, dead, extinct. Without life. A man was lying inanimate on the floor, appearing to be dead, appearing not to be alive. So inanimate describes anything that's not alive, or it emphasizes the lack of movement, the lack of consciousness, the lack of vitality. Inanimate. I think I would give this a 6, maybe a 6.5 in formality, using a semi-formal conversation. And frequency, I would say probably medium frequency. So inanimate, not alive, not showing signs of life, lifeless, inanimate. Bye for now.